welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you my top 10 Korean drama series what I loved the most binge watching. So here are some which I'm going to share with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting with the first, we have While You Were Sleeping. So this was actually my first drama, Korean drama, what I actually watched, and I loved it so much. This is a very interesting story to watch because it is all about three of them getting visions through their dreams what will be going to happen, what the terrible things were going to happen in the future, and they fight for it, they find out, and it's a very cool and comedy, romance comedy, I would say, experience to watch. Do make sure to watch it because it is so like the most favorite, I would say, because it was my first Korean drama what I ever watched. Okay, so the second one is The Hairs, and I guess part 2 has been also been released or something like that, but I didn't watch. I've only watched part 1, which was very interesting and fun to watch because it was all dealt with high school drama and some complicated situations in their lives, and was very fun and enjoyable to watch, I could say. The third is My Strange Hero. This is a very a romance plus comedy between a teacher and a student, wherein the student has returned after after years to get back his graduation degree, high school graduation degree, and it also deals with some high school drama and something like that. So it's very interesting to watch. The fourth one is What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. It's a very romantic plus a comedy between secretary and the boss, wherein romance has been seen and how they deal with their past. And this was very fun watching. They look very cute, both the main leads, and it was binge watching totally because it was fun to watch. Though I don't understand Korean that much, but with English titles, I can get that way more better, I guess so. The fifth one is My ID is Gangnam Beauty. It's like this story, the drama started when the girl was in high school and she was being bullied for her facial this thing. So she undergoes a cosmetic surgery just to deal with that, and after cosmetic surgery she deals with more bullying wherein the students try to bully her, and this is all about that. But it's a very romantic also because the hero is also there in this particular drama series, and it's more enjoying to watch this because it's fun. The sixth one is Pinocchio. I really love these drama series because I feel these both of the main leads are my favorite, and because they did a very good job. And this drama series is all about finding revealing their terrible past of the childhood and also dealing with it, and they both fall in love, and they are both reporters also. Actually, I didn't knew there is a reality. In reality, there is a disease known as Pinocchio. After watching the whole series, I went back on Google and I searched it that yeah, there is really a disease known as Pinocchio. It's really is there. The seventh one is a Suspicious Partner. I feel this is a very curious curious drama series because I really wanted to know what is after what is there in the next episode of the drama series, because I was very curious because the name itself says Suspicious Drama Series. It's like a romance plus curiosity, suspiciousness, because it's all about a prosecutor get involved in this, wherein his new intern is a suspect of a murder. So it's very fun, and they played a tremendously fabulous job in this drama series, and I loved it so much that I also recommended it to so many people to watch also this series. The eighth one is Romance is a Bonus Book, wherein it's a romance plus comedy drama series, wherein the female lead is a little bit older than the male lead, but they fall in love and they have their romance. Plus, it's a very comedy part also is there involved in this particular drama series. The ninth one is Love Alarm, and it is a very complicated type of a series. I would say it's a high school drama as well, and it's a little bit fantasy because it all involves in an app which alerts like the high school kids that whoever is there in their vicinity, who like alert, give them a alarm wherein if whoever like enters in their vicinity likes them. So it's like, as the name suggests, love alarm. So it is all about this after that the complication starts, and it is a very like cute, enjoyable series to watch it actually. The 10th and the last series I would recommend would be High School Love On. It's a very like a high school drama, and it also involves some angels and some devil also. I would say because accidentally one angel who tries to understand human, she accidentally becomes an human and deals with all the human complications in the world. And yeah, this is all about that. That's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like this, and if you watch like Korean dramas, I do recommend this, my top favorite Korean drama series, and I hope you'll enjoy them a lot just like how I did. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you get updated on every time I post a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.